OpenClaw is trending right now. You might have heard it earlier as MoltBot or ClawDBot, but OpenClaw is the final name. Everyone is talking about it, but a lot of people still don't know what it actually is. It's basically a personal AI assistant that you run on your own server. It lets you connect AI with platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, and more, so you can automate a lot of your daily tasks. Now, a lot of people think you need a Mac Mini or some expensive setup to run something like this. But in this video, I'll show you how to self-host OpenClaw without buying a Mac Mini using a virtual private server. Now, to self-host ClawDBot, the first thing we need is a VPS. And for this tutorial, we're going to use a Hostinger VPS. So let's head over to Hostinger.com and select OpenClaw hosting. You'll see different options to set up a virtual private server. This is actually much cheaper than buying physical hardware like a Mac Mini. For this video, I'm going to use the KVM2 VPS plan. This plan gives us 2 vCPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of SSD storage, and 8 TB of bandwidth. This is more than enough to run ClawDBot and do a lot of testing. And the best part is, if you ever need more resources, you can easily scale up or down. Next, you'll be asked to choose the billing period, 1 month, 12 months, or 24 months. Obviously, the 24-month plan gives you the best value. But even with a 12-month or 24-month plan, you can save more by using a coupon code. If you use code IRON10, you'll get an additional 10% off. So overall, you save a pretty big amount using Hostinger VPS. After that, you'll need to choose a server location. You can pick whatever is closest to you. After the purchase, you'll land on the OpenClaw configuration page. Here you need to fill just a few simple things. You'll see an OpenClaw gateway token. Copy this and save it somewhere safe. You'll need it in the next step. Here you can add Anthropic API key or OpenAI API key. Now open your OpenAI API platform and create a new admin key for OpenClaw and copy this API key and paste it here. You can also use Gemini for API key. Now enter the phone number you want to connect OpenClaw with. Usually your WhatsApp number. Once done, click deploy. Now OpenClaw starts deploying automatically. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. I'll be back once it's finished. Alright, installation is complete. Now click on this arrow and open ports. Now paste your gateway token and click login. And boom, you're inside the OpenClaw web dashboard. To test it, just type a message in the chat. If you see a reply, your OpenClaw is working perfectly. Now let's connect WhatsApp with OpenClaw. Go to the channels section where you'll see 2 options, Telegram and WhatsApp. We'll start by connecting WhatsApp. Scroll down to the WhatsApp section and you'll see the phone number you added during the setup. If you want to connect a different number or add another one, you can update it here. Now scroll back up and click on Show QR Code. On your phone, open WhatsApp, tap on the 3 dots, go to Linked Devices, tap Link a Device, and scan the QR code. Within a few seconds, you'll see that WhatsApp is now connected and running. Now let's test if WhatsApp is connected or not. Open the chat with your own phone number and send a simple message like "Hi" or "Hello." You'll see the message coming in from WhatsApp. OpenClaw will start typing, and then it will reply directly on WhatsApp. That confirms OpenClaw is now live and fully working on WhatsApp. Now let's connect Telegram with OpenClaw. You can actually ask OpenClaw directly, "How do I connect Telegram with you?" And it will guide you through the process. It will tell you to create a Telegram bot using BotFather and provide a bot token. So, open Telegram and search for BotFather. Open the official BotFather account and tap Start. From the menu, select Create a new bot. First, it will ask for a bot name. You can give it any name, for example, OpenClaw1. Next, it will ask for a username, and this must end with bot. So choose any available name that ends with bot and send it. Once that's done, BotFather will generate your bot link and bot token. Copy this token and paste it into OpenClaw's chat. Now OpenClaw will tell you that Telegram is wired up on its side, and the next step is to complete the pairing from Telegram. Go back to BotFather, open the bot you just created, and tap Start. Your Telegram bot will now send you a pairing code. Copy this pairing code and paste it into OpenClaw, because OpenClaw will ask for it to complete the connection. Now OpenClaw is asking, where did you see this code? Telegram or WhatsApp? Simply reply that you got the pairing code from Telegram. If OpenClaw says the code didn't work and asks you to send it again, don't worry. Just copy the entire message with the pairing code from Telegram and paste it into OpenClaw so it can understand it properly. And boom, it approved the code, and Telegram is connected with OpenClaw. To test it, go to your Telegram bot and send any message. You can see OpenClaw is typing, and we got the reply, which means everything is working perfectly. And that's it. In this video, we installed OpenClaw without any coding or terminal commands in just a few minutes using a Hostinger VPS. This is why using a VPS makes sense. It's safe, private, and a lot more affordable than buying expensive hardware like a Mac Mini. Plus, everything stays under your control. If you want to try this yourself and get 10% off, check the link in my description or use the code IRON10 at checkout. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and I'll see you in the next one.